again. I think I'm focusing it properly. See, then with the green, I'm doing it. Touch little more color. And with yellow or light green or dark green, anything, you can do the same way. Then go for some other color. Use some bright colors even. Like orange I'm taking. Use only very little of orange. Just start doing it on this. Here and there, up and down, you can do it. Then you can go for blue, yellow, all those things you can do it. Same way you can try with any color. I'll wind up the things. Then with yellow, I'm starting. This part I'm doing little bit of yellow. So that the color will be contrast to that brilliant pink. Earlier, I didn't give that yellow there because it will merge with the color, okay? So we'll get some other color. To avoid that only, after that color dries, I'm using yellow on the top. Very easy, no? Like you need not go for brushes or any particular perfections and all. You can't find in this. Even if we do like this randomly also, it will have a great effect, nice effect, very nice it will be. Okay. Then I'm going for dark blue. Okay. Wipe your finger now and then go for that. I'm using ultramarine. You can use ultramarine or Persian blue or cerulean blue, any type of blue you can use. For everything, I'm using only the little finger, okay? So it will be bright underneath. It's something like modern art, which you can't explain. Very slowly you do this. Here and there, inside part also, you can keep here and there some blue dots. If the color doesn't come out well, just make it again. Okay. Then if you want, even you can go for black and all. That also will look good. Black is the highlight. This is the black is going to be the last color what I'm going to use. And then even with white also you can do it. Just by washing it will go off, ma, so don't worry at all. See, black is going to be the last color what I am going to use for the dress. Here and there, black also I am just placing it. So you'll have some highlight. So our dress part is completed, okay? You may think that it doesn't look like dress. Then I give the completion of giving the head portion and the other things. See, for this part, no, head part also, if we want, we can give little bit of colors. Initially, how we did here, that same way I'm going to do it in the head area also, so that it look like something modern art. So initially, pink color, very small pink color dots I'm making. And then the same colors what we use, no, like yellow we can use, blue, light blue, orange, green, everything you can use, okay? But the thing is, you should make it very lightly, not too much. It should not be too big also. The last effect will be great, okay? It's something really great. Very simple art, okay? Orange I have completed, with green I have completed, pink is over, then go for yellow, then blue and black. Yellow here and there. Then go for blue. And then black. Black, we need not wash our hands and all because it is the color. Very lightly I'm going to do it with black, okay? Yes, we have completed that. Now with black, what I am going to do is the face and the hand and legs and all I am going to draw. See that you don't have more water in your brush, okay? Here, like Harry portion, we want to show, no? So that very light curves and curls and all I'm going to show on this. Okay, we have completed that. Then coming to the face area, it is going to be just black color, okay? On the neck portion, I'm drawing. Then the hands. Like we are getting it like a dancing ballerina. If the flow of the color is not good, then touch little of water. Okay, same way, leg part also we need to draw. Okay, our dancing ballerina is completed. Does it look good?
Super, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. We can go for the other one, what we did earlier. Okay, just let it dry. Later, I'll post all these pictures in the group. You can just see that. See, this is what we did. Okay, very slowly try to remove the white sheet, what we pasted it in the center. Okay, you can use even any masking tape or something you can use, but everyone you may not have that, so that only I've pasted very little of glue and paper. Okay, so that you can wipe with the water and take off the color. Just remove the paper very slowly so that nothing happens to the painting. If you want, you can apply once again, center part alone, little bit of white you can apply. Just apply white in this part alone, okay? Very light pink color I'm using, okay? Here you can touch enough water just to have proper completion, okay? This is going to be really nice work. More than the other two, this will look like proper painting. I'm going to use neon pink, and I'm going to have some branches of trees and the few minutes. I'll take all the colors and I'll let you know what I'm going to do. See, brown acrylic I'm using. I'm going to use brown acrylic, neon pink, neon green, and then the black acrylic. Only very few colors I'm going to use, okay? With thin brush, you just mark the branches, okay? I'm going to use brown and I'm going to make the marking. Just like tree branches I'm going to do. Very lightly over the white paint I'm doing. Let the paint dry, then we can go for that portion. It's very simple, easy technique of doing great painting. In both the sides, I'm going to show the branches. Even with little more thin brush, if you want, you can do it. More than having only with brown, I'll touch little of black so that I give the highlight for the branches. Not whole of the brown I'm going to do. Any one side alone, you try to have that black tint. If the flow is not good, touch little water and paint. Whole of the brown I am not giving. To only certain part of the brown I am giving. Yeah, now I have done with this. This is completed, okay? I'll wash my brush nicely. Then now we are going to start with the finger paints. For that, I'm going to use little of white with little of pink color, okay? This neon pink and white I'm going to use. Initially with white I'll be doing, then I'll go for the neon pink, okay? Few minutes, I'll wipe my hand nicely and then use white. These are only acrylic colors, so nothing is going to happen when you touch in with your fingers. Very slightly, just make dots over like this. With fingers, you are making it, okay? Even with buds, you can make it. With finger also, you will get nicely. Unevenly, I am just dabbing it over, okay? Here and there, that initial point alone, I am making it bigger and making it small only. Same way, the other side also we are going to do. Whole of the branches I'm doing it. And before that color dries, no, we have to start with pink. Very little of pink I'm using. Just make it on that. Like how we made it, no, like just make it on that itself. It need not be very dark and all. I think I'm focusing it properly.
Mom.
Yes. Just do it like this. Over this itself, you need to do, let it be very, very light. It may not be dark. If you feel that it is dark, then touch little bit of white and do it with white. Innermost thing, let it be dark, and near to the outer thing, let it be very light. Just like smudging, you will be doing it, okay? Yeah. Now, both the sides we have completed with this. What I'm going to do now is with green, I'm going to show a little bit of leaf. You can touch a little bit of green and have. I'm using neon just because I want bright, okay? Not like pink and white. This should be very little only. If you want, you can use dark green too, but now sap green can be used. Same way like how we have done this. Little bit of sap green, okay? Everything I'm doing only with my little finger. If you want, you can use your forefinger or middle finger. But for me, I feel that this will be better. Okay, very lightly I've done it. Okay, now we have completed with this. Does it look good? Yeah, the background and painting in the front also it is finished. Now we are going to start with the painting, like showing it as a water area, okay? Here and there, here in the water also you can have little bit of pink scene, but not like on the top, okay? Very lightly you can show pink color in the water. And white too, you
मम्मी को दिखा
can
दिखा दे हो गया
show it.
है ना फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे
Okay?
वो कहाँ गया इसका नाम भी डाल के देख
Then you can use white too, like here and there you use white too and do it like this. Then for the highlight, you can have take your thin brush
वो जो है
use
ना
black color.
इनकम्प्लीट वाला वो सब कंप्लीट किया बाकी
नहीं बाकी कल नहीं थी ना।
हाँ
With that,
करना
you can
थोड़ा
show
थोड़ा।
it like boat and
ये क्या
just
है ये
mute
WhatsApp
yourself,
पे
no?
कर दिए मोबाइल के ऐप्स हैं
Just mute yourself.
अच्छा लग रहा है फोटो निकाल दी
This part, like
कभी तो किसी
I'm
को लगता है
going to have it
कहाँ से
like
देखें
तो ये गूगल से सर्च मारे।
okay.
ये क्या है
Just
ऐसे
like that, I'm painting a boat like thing. I'm
बैकग्राउंड
painting.
करना पड़ेगा
Just like that, a boat.
बाय
And then a man
तो
standing
देना नहीं
and
तो गंदा
rowing a
कलर
boat.
कलर वाला हाथ हो जाए हाँ वही
Just a small image is enough. And some person is sitting near to it. Okay. You have completed the shadow portion also. I'm just doing it with little bit of black itself. That should not be so perfect. So let it be wavy in the water area. It need not be so very perfect. Show it like some wavy thing. Okay, now our picture is completed. I believe everyone you enjoyed the thing, isn't it? I want everyone to present the work of your own, okay? Within the article, okay? Now I'll show you all the things what we have done. This is the ballerina fingerprint painting. And this is the other one like scenery painting. And one more thing, the first thing what we used the template and we did the balloon, okay? Like having a caption time to celebrate. I think this is the time to celebrate for you, just knowing every fingerprint techniques. These are the things we have viewed today. These 3 works. I believe everyone you enjoyed the thing, enjoyed the class. I want you to present the article. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, your work is very nice, ma'am.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you.
Thank you.